Hello, good morning, guys. It's 12:20, and I will show you how this custom pipeline works. So this is the first section where you put your user settings. For example, if I run the whole file, it will first ask me to choose data. For this demonstration, I'll choose this BV7. I'll open, then it will ask me the EEG input, the EEGLAB inputs. So I have down sampled to 250 hertz, the ASR value, artifact subspace reconstruction value is 50 standard deviations, then filter 0 0.5 and 30. This is one of the study parameter, which is set as 1500 milliseconds. So I'll just press OK, and then it will start running all the EEG lab processes, which involves down sampling, then computing the average channel locations, ASR, FIR filter, ICA, then removal of all bad channels, periods, and everything. Even it has IC rejections, any component of noise like muscle, eye blink, as such, should also be removed with this EEG lab pre-processing pipeline. So as you can see right now, the ICA is running. ICA is almost complete, and then some of the components in the ICA will also be removed. So three components flagged for rejections, they were removed from the data itself. So right now the processing is of adjusting the clean EEG signals and raw EEG signals. Since the raw EEG signals were trimmed, because of which the samples were of out of time scale, it is something it has to do with adjusting and like putting all the clean uh, EEG signals again into the proper timeline so that epoch extraction can be easier. So adjusting clean and raw data timeline is almost complete. Now the epochs will be popping up. This is for the baseline trials, and then this is for the interval search. Again, a study parameter which I set as at 10. Again, one of the Q valid trials, then we have Q invalid trials, and again we have throw valid trials, and then throw invalid trials. So I pop up this kind of signals. For example, now I want to remove some of the trials which are actually outliers. As you can see, if I click this signal, it tells, on which I know this is actually a visual inspection. So I remove this data from analysis, and if I find anything outlier, I remove them, mark them as outlier. Now I know data 2, 8 are outliers. So what I do is that for each of the blocks, I select the trials which are outlying trials, and then let us say I found all the trials which are outliers. So I press this, and it pops up asking me which trials to remove. I just say um, 0 or like 1, then let me remove trial number 1 in all the cases. It will prompt me that all the outliers have been removed, and again it will prompt another two conditions, valid condition and invalid condition. So it's easier for the mm, proper visualization of the study parameters and as such. So this is it. This is what the custom pipeline does for me. And I guess for every participant, I do the processing, and then it saves me a mat file. So I do not have to do the processing all over again. I just load the variable. It comes to the workspace directly. So that is what the custom pipeline does. This was a demonstration video. So stay tuned for some more fun things.